आइए जरा एक न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करते हैं। टू आइडेंटिकल चार्ज पार्टिकल्स ईच हैविंग ए मास ऑफ 10 ग्राम एंड चार्ज 2.010 to power minus 10 coulomb are placed on horizontal table with a separation of capital L between them such that they stay in limited equilibrium. Find the value of L if the coefficient of friction between table and each particle is 0.25 and small g is equal to 10 meter per second square. So this is the given data. मास बराबर है, चार्ज बराबर है दोनों पार्टिकल पर, इस तरह से टेबल पर रखे हुए हैं. जस्ट वी हैव टू सी द वेरियस फोर्सेस एक्टिंग ऑन द system. That is, let us say that the force acting between these two particles is Fe. If two charges are similar, it is given. The force is repulsive, it will act in this direction Fe, and the force of friction will act in opposite direction. This is weight and this is normal reaction. So in equilibrium, N is equal to mg and F is equal to the static friction maximum hai. So electric force can be found by the simple Coulomb's law, that is F is equal to k q square upon L square is equal to k q square upon L square. In equilibrium condition, these two forces, that is the electric force and the static frictional force, must be equal. So I can make them equal. Electric force is equal to static frictional force, which is maximum, and therefore we can put the values, and by rearranging we can find the value of L, that is k q square upon mu mg under the root. Putting the various values, we come with the result that the separation between them is 0.12 meter or 12 centimeter. Now these are the two questions given for exercise. आप इनको कीजिएगा. Two particles A and B having charges plus 30 coulomb and minus 10 coulomb microcoulomb respectively are placed with separation of 10 centimeter. At what position a third charged particle should be placed so that it does not experience any force? Hint मैंने आपको दिया है, देखिएगा. जो हमारे पास थर्ड चार्ज है, that should be nearest to the small charge so that its electric field can be compensated. And there are other two reasons, you must know it. If it is placed at this point, the charge minus 10 coulomb will not have any effect. If it is placed in between the two charges, the direction of the force, that will be, you can say, will be same in this position. So we have to place it at this point. You can calculate it. And infinite number of point charges, ये देखिए point charges ऐसे रखे हुए at position 1, 2, 4, 8 meter. These are the values of the charges. Simply you apply the principle of superposition and then equate it with the force, that is x into 10 to power 3 न्यूटन. हमारे पास ये एक ज्योमेट्रिकल प्रोग्रेशन आएगी. a उसमें 1 होगा, r 1/4 होगा. You can find the value of x is equal to 48. तो इस तरह के न्यूमेरिकल्स आप करने के लिए, समझने के लिए श्री राम फिजिक्स क्लासेस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस तरह के अधिक से अधिक न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व कीजिएगा, प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा, और आपको इस चैनल में और भी न्यूमेरिकल बताए जाएंगे विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिगार्डिंग JEE एंड NEET. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.